Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello! The title of this video is The Human Body. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn with Zara. Do you know how your eyes help you see and your hands help you play? Today, we are learning about the incredible human body and its amazing parts. Heart. Heart pumps blood throughout the body, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every part. Lungs. Lungs help us breathe by taking in oxygen and sending out carbon dioxide. Stomach. Stomach helps us digest food and turns it into energy for the body. Eyes. We use our eyes to see the things around us. Nose. We use our nose to smell and breathe. Ears. We use our ears to hear sounds. Mouth. We use our mouth to eat, talk, and smile. Hands. We use our hands to hold, write, and play. Feet. We use our feet to walk and run. Legs. We use our legs to stand, walk, and jump. Arms. We use our arms to lift and carry things. Fingers. We use our fingers to touch, feel, and pick things up. Muscles. Muscles help us move our body parts like walking, smiling, or even blinking. Brain, the control center of the body. It helps us think, learn, remember, and control all our actions. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!